welcome back to Polly's World. Polly's World. Always remember, love is sweet and love is kind and it's always on my mind. Polly's World. Polly's World. Hi, good day, guys. Welcome once again. We are having a taping this afternoon. Can I tell you, my fabulous daughter is here.
I'm back.
She's in the building, guys. She brought up a fabulous, and my husband is backstage. Say hi.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, today we are doing, you see no food in front of us, but there is a challenge that my daughter brought to my attention, and she was like, Mom, you got to try this out. So I said, sure, what is it? And it's a speed eating challenge. We have 9 items that is going to be presented in front of us from my husband in the back. He gets to pick whatever he wants to pick from the kitchen, and we just have to eat it. Who eats it the fastest is the winner. Guys, pray for me, please. Anyway, let's open the word of prayer. Heavenly Father, as we gathered today with our family to have some fun, we ask that you be with us. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
So, my babes is going to bring something out. I don't know what it is. My daughter don't know what it is. But we are then going to see what it is. And then we have to eat it. Who eats it the fastest or eats all of it? I don't know. He's going to tell us the rules. When? I'm good. You're going down.
You don't understand.
You're going down.
I'm so competitive. It's not even funny.
Why are you going down? You're going down to trust me. I would have beat you today.
She says that.
Okay, honey. Okay, let's say. What are the rules?
So, the rules are as follows. I will bring out the item.
Mm-hmm.
I will present the item on your plate.
Mm-hmm.
Both of you have to have your hands under the table
Mm-hmm.
until I say go.
Okay.
Once I say go, you can continue to eat the food.
Uh-huh.
However method you need to use to eat the food, you eat the food.
Okay.
And then the first person who has 100% swallowed all of the food will win that round.
Okay.
There's 9 rounds,
Okay.
so there can't be a tie at the end.
Okay. Well, before we even go further, I want to just give some shout out to all of our new subscribers. My husband has the list, so he's going to give the shout outs to everyone who subscribed. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to keep on liking, commenting, and subscribing. By the end of this year, we want to get to 1,000. 1,000. So hit the button below, guys, and let us get to 1,000. Help us out. Help a girl out. Help Polly out. Help Polly out. So go ahead, honey. You're gonna give a shout out moment.
Shout out moment to Louisa Davis. Thanks for following us. She's a new subscriber.
Louisa Davis. Thank you so much for subscribing.
Tanya Henderson is a new subscriber.
Tanya Henderson, you're welcome to Polly's World.
And let's give a shout out to some of our commenters.
Yeah.
Lena Hatcher most recently commented.
Who is that? I didn't hear you.
Lena Hatcher.
Lena Hatcher. Thank you so much for giving us comments, asking us, telling us what you guys would like us to do. We hear you. We read all of our comments. So we want to just shout you guys. This is your moment. Shout you out. Starlight. The spotlight is on you right now. Yeah. Is that it, hon?
That's it for now.
That's it. So go on, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like, comment, and subscribe, we will shout you out at Polly's World. Okay, so let's get this challenge going. Let's go.
Okay.
Going down,
Item number
down,
1.
down.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go.
Child, I'm ready. You're going down, down, down. My daughter is very competitive.
Very.
She brought this challenge to me, so I'm gonna beat her.
I like winning.
Me too. I like winning.
Hold on.
Too bad you don't do much of it.
Oh, child, bye, please. I'm pretty good. You know, let me wet my palette.
Alright.
Okay.
This is kind of inappropriate.
Okay.
Number 1.
Okay. Ooh, guys.
Very inappropriate.
We got
actually.
banana.
You know the way I eat this normally? I take pieces off so it wouldn't like.
Child,
look
bye.
inappropriate.
Let's go.
She's gonna deep
The
throat that
challenge
thing.
is on. First thing is you have to know how to peel it correctly.
Okay, whatever.
Whoever peels it the first is probably going to win the challenge.
Okay, let's go.
I mean, there is a proper
Come on,
way.
let's go. Let's not do all of this.
Sure, there's a proper way.
Come
but,
on.
like,
1, 2.
No.
Hands on the table. Yeah.
Hands on the
Cheater.
table. Ready, set, go. Here it is. Challenge is on. Gonna be a close one. I need to see you stick out your tongue when you're done. Faith is the winner.
I couldn't stop laughing.
Faith is the
I almost choked on it.
Faith is the winner. Are you gonna finish it or are you gonna spit it out?
Spit it out.
If you lose, you have the option.
Can't
to
even
spit
eat
out.
it.
Look at that, it's like a half a banana still left.
Oh, ew. She spit it on the table.
Let me see your plates. I'll be back with the next item
Oh my god.
for y'all.
I almost choked. I was swallowing it, and then I saw you looking at me, and I was like, oh. I won.
Okay. 1, 0.
1, 0.
Oh my God.
This gonna be a breeze.
You know what, Faith? This is not right. This is not right. This is not.
I just think it's because I have more experience than you.
Oh my God.
Item number 2. Lunchables.
Wait, hold up. Do we have to eat the whole thing?
You have to eat the whole thing.
Like with the little snack thing that comes inside too?
the whole
Oh, this one's
You can't touch it. Don't touch it, Adam. Put your hand under the table. Oh.
Are we ready? Have we
Ready.
Have we analyzed the object?
Yes, we have.
Ready?
Wait. Give me a second. Let me
Question, can we drink water during it?
Sure. You can drink
All right.
water.
No.
No, you already said yes!
Yeah, you can drink water. It's
He already said yes.
Can I tell you, if you drink water, that means the biscuit will be soft. You can swallow it real easily.
Whatever you need to do to eat it.
Whatever you need to do to eat it.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready, set.
Wait, let me say it. Wait.
This guy, she knows you're gonna lose. I eat this on the daily.
I don't eat this. I don't eat this. Why you bring this?
Cause he.
Okay, let's go, man. This
It's
is.
dry,
I can
that's why.
already see that this
One of
is.
these dry
I already
something.
see that this is not going to be a fair challenge. Anyway, let's go.
You never know.
Let's go.
You never know.
Let's go. Yeah.
1, ready, set,
You never know.
go. They both got the same thing. They both have turkey and cheddar. Looking at the strategies. Who has the best strategy? Faith is making hers into like a little sandwich. The crackers, the turkey, and the cheese all in one mouth bite. Polly's going for just the cheese alone.
Don't tell my strategy. Don't tell my strategy, please.
Remember, there are 7 more items on the list.
Man, you choke. Take it easy.
It's good.
It's not over till the food is swallowed. Round 2 goes to Faith. All you're left with is some crackers and some cheese.
She got some turkey in there. She had like there's like 2 pieces of turkey, 2 pieces of
Is it
cheese.
really?
Yeah.
This is so wrong. Like, what the hell?
At first, I was like, maybe I should just like go for one category at a time. But I was like, nah, no. I think she's playing the long game. Like she's not getting full now, so later she can like stuff it
there's
all.
7 more items to
But
go.
I need to win, you know what I mean? You gotta like put the effort in the beginning.
Fred, I don't eat as fast as you. I don't chew like that.
My fingers are salty.
Fred, I take my time and chew my food. Like, golly.
See, look, I had to like, you know, that's why I asked for the water so I can soak the crackers. I put it all in my mouth and then put some water and make it soft in my mouth, and then I just chew. My downfall is like honestly laughing.
Okay. So
I'm still eating.
She's still eating.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I got like cheese and like the
Oh my
gums and
god.
stuff. Gotta do the cleanup in the mouth, you know what I'm talking about.
I feel defeated. Anyway, go ahead.
Good, defeated already?
I like winning, I told you.
Yogurt. Prune flavored yogurt.
Ooh.
Just a spoon. Just a spoon on it.
Just
Yeah,
a spoon.
it's fair, so you both you open it and
Let's take out the spoon.
Oh, we have to open it?
You just take the spoon.
Just taking the spoon on, man. Come on now.
It's an eating
Yeah,
competition, not an unwrapping competition.
unwrapping competition. Yeah, you can go with that.
Oh, the roof of my mouth kind of rough. From the crackers. We good.
Bring it in the shop, baby.
Oh, sorry.
we all got the strategy down.
Baby, wait, can I breathe? I mean, listen. I need to breathe. I need to be able to breathe. I need to be able to breathe. I don't eat this fast, guys. Hear me out, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm losing. I don't like it. I'm losing.
Do you want me to let you win this one?
I'm trying to weasel your way out of eating.
Can I tell you, this is why my daughter can't put this. You see how she is? See how she is? Can I tell you, I mean, you don't like prunes, you drink some. You don't like prunes.
I saw you in the beginning. You were copying my strategy, and I was like,
Let's go.
I actually love prunes. Yeah, you didn't know that, did you? You gotta keep the mystery sometimes. In case like things like this come up, you know? I love prunes.
Okay, go ahead. That's a lie. I know you don't like
No, I
prunes.
love prunes. They make you poop. They're good for you.
Sure, right, it makes you poop.
Ready?
Oh my God, it's on your mask. I said go. Or I mean, ready.
Set.
Set. 1 second. 1 second. I need to. Let me breathe. Can I breathe?
I mean, the tape. We're only on our third.
Go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
Ready, set, go.
We both did this.
Her hand was on tongue.
That hurt. It's just actually kind of nasty. Never give up.
True competitor. Let me see the cup.
I tried my best. Am I serious? Oh, what? I almost threw up in the middle of it. What?
Third challenge goes to Faith.
Never give up. I was about to give up in the middle because it was nasty. I was about to throw up. But I was like, never give up.
True competitor.
Never give up.
That's all right. There's only 3 items. So
3
far.
items.
Bet you're gonna be full just now.
6
Give me-
more
in a
items
row.
to go.
3 in a row. That's what I'm
6
trying
more
to say.
That's all right.
to
That's
go.
all right. That's it. That's just
Remember, you
go
need to
on
win
with this.
5 in order to take the title.
All right. So what is that?
All right, next item coming up.
Wink. Kind of nasty. Why'd you pick that?
Did I pick that?
I feel like you bought it. Who bought that? I didn't buy that.
Did you like it?
No. And I love prunes too. I wasn't lying. That was nasty.
Yeah, some of it did.
Was it expired?
Hey, come on. What type of crap you picking up? Oh my God. Like, come
nasty.
on now.
Nasty.
I hope you bring something exciting this time. I can't eat a lot.
I wish you
again.
guys had tasted it.
I can't eat a lot again. I'm already agitated.
Oh, are we gonna poop after?
You probably would.
You know, wash that down my throat.
You want 3 friends? Ay, ay, ay.
You haven't won one. Ay, ay, ay.
That's a Pollys world. To Pollys world. Always remember, love is sweet and love is kind, and it's always on our mind. Pollys world. Pollys world. Okay, where you coming with that?
Hello.
All right. Item number 4, some pork rinds.
Oh my.
Right.
Okay.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Why do we even have this in the house?
Let's go. Let's just do this. Come on.
Ready, set, go.
Hands below the table.
Well, it's going to be a close one. Who can chew it the fastest and swallow? Polly won. Polly won.
Because I was laughing. It's because I was laughing.
The score is what?
3-1.
I got one. That's fine.
Okay, now I finish.
Uh-huh.
3-1.
3.
Bro,
1.
like, it's because I was laughing. It wasn't funny. And she took my method. She saw me drinking wine. She was like, oh, yeah.
I forgot about the water. The water softened it.
But look, her water almost gone.
That's how I get another bottle of water.
We do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Let's go.
I saw you speeding up after you saw me put, like, a multiple.
When I'm like, you literally do, you put all in your mouth.
Yeah.
Golly.
It was a good method if I didn't choke up at the end.
Can I tell you, that's not the way I eat.
Me neither. I like to savor
take-
everything. You like to take a bite of one, and then, you drink a little wine.
But I guess it's a
but
competition.
this is a competition.
It's a speed competition, yeah. This is a speed eating challenge. Let's see who could eat it the fastest, yeah? I wonder if I want to do this competition with Paul.
Guys, look at my nails. I randomly decided one day to grow my pinky nail out, and look how long it is.
That's beautiful.
Just like,
Why are you growing it?
I don't know. It's because I was taking care of my nails, and then I got to the pinky, and I was like, why not?
Right.
So I left it.
Okay, cool. It's nice though. What you gonna do with it? Just keep it? It's like, hold it, guys. That show. What's that show? Show like. Oh my God, Jesus.
English toffee ice cream bars.
It's toffee.
Put it down. Don't touch it.
I'm just showing them what it is.
No, they can see. They can see. Look, they can clearly see.
How come this is right in front of you and this is like to the side of me?
I'm sorry, it's in front of you. It's for the camera.
Ready?
Oh, hold a second. I think my tummy is like, oh my God.
I know, that last one was kind of spicy,
Oh
so
my
I was
God.
like,
What number we on?
burning a little bit.
What number we on?
5.
This is number 6.
It's number 5. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 more.
4 more after this.
5, yeah, 4 more, but 5.
Oh my God.
Not
Okay. Okay.
It's the halfway mark.
You're right.
Okay, let's see.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Set. Go.
Oh, damn! Oh, I don't like chocolate. Mm.
Did you see that?
Wow.
Hey,
What's there?
she put the whole thing in her mouth all at once.
Come on, you got this, baby. Come. Good luck. You want this too?
No.
I'm good.
What time to chew then? What?
I
Get
like-
hiccups. No.
I don't like chocolate.
4 to 1.
That's okay. You can have that.
Right.
Polly's losing, guys. Okay, bring me a
I
bottle
just
of
need to
water,
win. I
please.
just need to win one more.
Sure, no problem.
Like
How the hell? How do you eat so? I don't understand it. You're eating way too fast.
I don't know. 'Cause it's like pent up anger for everyone.
Really?
It's like everyone telling me to slow down.
From
And then,
eating.
like, yeah. So then now that like I can actually like
Oh,
eat
child.
fast.
Wait,
I'm like,
you don't feel like you want to throw up when you eat that fast?
no. I feel like I just get more food into my mouth faster.
I got a weak stomach then. Thank you. Can you move these out? Thank you.
All right.
There you go.
I want that one. That one looks better. This one looks fresher. I want this one. She's losing. Wink. So.
Hands under the table.
Oh yeah. We both like.
Ready, set.
Okay, I need a second. My tummy's.
And my teeth kind of cold.
Okay, let's go.
Ready,
Oh wow! Now that you see that, I'm at a
Set.
disadvantage.
go.
I'm not the best at peeling fast. Oh, she said nope. Polly's in this to win, huh?
Polly wins it.
Good job. Honestly, my job was like peeling
4 to 2.
Can I tell you guys? I eat a lot of fruit.
it. Me too. I just can't peel.
You
4
found
2.
your zone, huh?
I
Four, two.
just can't peel to save my life.
4 to 2.
I'm sad.
Okay.
Look at that. She peeled it in like 3 peels. You see mine?
I eat a lot of this.
I'm still chewing.
You're still chewing.
All right, that was number 6.
You know, that's funny because I don't like chocolate and all that stuff. I don't like it.
I know, but I ate it.
Like the fruits, and you can give me fruits all day. The fruits?
How come that you didn't win the banana then?
I won the banana. Did I?
I won the banana.
But that was a lot of banana. My banana was bigger than your banana.
Sure.
I
Sure.
do. I tell you. The banana for real. How come I didn't win the banana for real? The banana was first, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I won. Because I was like, oh, you spit out half the banana.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
You did not.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm. The thing is, I don't even like
I
bananas.
wonder what's coming next. I hope he brings something nice. God, I swear if you bring anything crappy, if you bring anything crappy, I swear to God, I'm just like, you could go on and take. Well, what's wrong? I'm 2 and you're what? You're 4.
Because I said I need one more to win.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to win the rest of these.
I know. I know.
That's literally like the only way you can win is to win the rest. And what are the chances of that?
Oh my God! I know it's a very narrow It's a very narrow percentage, but
Because I just need one more. You
I
need to
know.
win all.
I know. Guys, don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs this video up. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys.
Hey, yeah.
Watermelon.
I love how when she says fruit, that he brings out fruit. I feel like they're teaming up. Baby.
No,
They are married. They have that psychic connection, you know.
Aw. Come on, stop complaining. Now you ate a lot. That's why.
There will be no pink showing.
Oh, so to eat like into the white?
You have to eat into the whites.
Okay.
All right.
Ready, set, go.
Cold.
Right?
Little brain freeze for you.
On my teeth. Cold. Oh. Slow down.
Is this good? Is this good?
No, it's still pink.
Damn it.
Oh my god.
Yep. Face.
Ew!
Face
She
is
didn't even
glitter.
try.
Can I get some napkin, paper towels?
Me too.
Yeah, we do.
Sure, paper towels coming up.
Oh my god.
So,
No, we're gonna double or nothing.
I'm pretty sure that's up to me. That's up to me. You know, so technically, guys, I won.
So it's 5-2.
Yeah. But I guess we're gonna finish all 9, huh?
Got 2 more items left.
I technically won. But we can keep going. See who wins the last 2. If that makes sense. But I won. And she said, fruit. I can eat it all
No,
day.
but it's cold. That was really cold.
I know. I ate the same piece of cold.
It was cold. All my teeth got edged.
Yeah, I was like, when I bit into it, I was like,
Ugh, yeah.
I'm good though.
It was cold, man. It was cold. Come on, man, Paul. Bring me something good in the man.
Yeah, so
Shoot.
let's just make this clear. I won, but we're gonna see who, like, would win the last
Shut
2.
up! Oh my lord! But you won already. Come on. I know what you mean by, Okay, come on. You can't even tie or anything. I got it.
Winky wink. Wink wink.
Oh my god. Take your hand off the table. Just give us
Can you give us a spoon?
Just give us a spoon, man.
I'm showing you that everything is equal.
Oh, man.
Hey.
Something cold again. Guys, I don't like chocolate. I don't like stuff too cold.
She don't like things too hot. She don't like things.
I don't really. Anyway. I need it.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Not ready.
When will you be ready?
We have 2 more. This is just.
One more after this.
But we could just give it to her now and be done with it, right? She won, right?
She won.
So
we
then,
won.
no, hear me. We
But
could dub
we
all or
want-
nothing.
No, but we want to see who would win the last 2.
No. At the last one, we could double. Okay, let's go. Let's come on.
It's up to me if I want to do that.
You've been nice.
No.
Come on, okay.
No.
Go ahead.
Ready,
Yeah.
set, go.
Should I mean?
Do you hear that?
Oh no!
You have to eat all that. You have to all of your legs.
I'm doing it. I got it.
Really? Done already?
But you failed to realize you can just swallow apple juice. Applesauce. And I got it off my leg.
Guys, I'm feeling miserably.
The score is 6-2.
I ruined my good pants.
There's some casualties of war tonight.
Yeah. But I still won. Isn't that funny?
So the question is, for the last and final finale, what do we want that to be?
That's your question, man.
Mm.
A little sad.
I swear to God, he bring everything he brought here was in your favor.
It's only because I know how to eat it. You don't eat everything. All she eats is like crackers and cheese.
I eat seafood.
Fruits and seafood. She doesn't eat all the things I eat, like Lunchables or applesauce.
I don't eat all that. I'll be honest with you. It's just like I eat fruit. I don't really eat a lot. As I say, I don't really eat a lot.
So I just know how to eat that. I just knew that you could drink applesauce. So that's what I did.
I didn't know that.
I know. I bet you were like putting in your mouth.
I was like chewing. I was like,
I was just straight up.
Yeah, because I heard you go. I'm like, oh my God, I've lost so bad. I hate to lose, guys.
And I love to win. I love to win. You guys don't understand. Alright?
I'm never gonna go no competition with you again because you're gonna always be like this. I swear to God.
You right. You're not wrong. I'm not denying it. Oh, guys, maybe I shouldn't mention it. You know what it was, though.
Yeah, get a plate. Go get us a plate, please.
Cucumber.
Could you warm this up in the microwave a little bit for me, please? I cannot take anything cold again.
Cucumber.
My teeth did hurt a little bit.
Yes, it's so cold. Everything is so cold. At least running in 20-something on the microwave, please.
Run 15 seconds.
Yeah.
20 is way too hot.
I like it like that. With my salads. I don't eat cold salads. I normally put it on. Yeah, you guys know that.
A little full. I'm a little full.
Oh my Lord. Ugh.
Why? Why are you mm-ing?
Because could I tell you? Anyway, it's just like I don't think he did it nice. Like I would have spread the stuff out like nicely, like golly man. He didn't space it out nice. He didn't go none hot. Like hot. I probably would have beat you at hot.
Nah, you wouldn't.
Not spicy. Like a hot soup or something like that. I probably would have beat you.
No, you wouldn't. I like soup. I like hot things too. I like food in general. I just like food.
Oh my
God. If I burn my tongue a little bit, bless me. No one's gonna
Bless you. Bless you.
Ready? Set.
How warm is
1
this?
second. She's touching the item. She's cheating.
Put the item down. Hands under the table.
He's cheating.
Or you'll forfeit the game.
Okay, listen. This is the last one.
Yeah.
This is the last one.
Let's put something on it.
$1.
No, we're not putting no
Put
money.
$1.
We're not putting no money.
We
All
can
or
put
nothing. All or nothing.
No, she just wants to win.
All
That's
or
why.
nothing.
No,
I'm
I
saying.
won, Mom.
All or nothing.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on, baby.
No.
Double it.
No.
Paul, ask her.
No.
1 second. 1 second, baby. Let me get this in. As the judge, you know.
The final challenge carries 4 points.
That's just all or nothing. That's the same thing. No.
It's just the way it is.
I don't like to live on the edge sometimes. Sometimes I like to keep it safe in my
So this one is worth how much?
This one is worth 4 points.
See, you see how they tag team me? Like, sometimes I'm on top and people just like to knock me down. Like, I'm really soaring high. And they're like...
So the consequences, since the score is 6-2, if Polly wins, that means it could become 6-6. You have to do the tiebreaker.
Oh my God! If they eat something else?
And
Okay, I'm fine with that.
if Faith wins and she wins.
Oh my God!
I'm fine with that. Like, I just don't want all of it to be riding on one thing.
No,
But since, like, it could be a tie, then I'm fine with that.
it'll be a tie. If Polly, and then you have to do the tiebreaker.
I'm cool with that.
If they eat something else?
She just wants a chance.
If you win,
I'm giving her a little speck of hope. I'm fine with that.
Okay.
you ready?
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Mm.
It's gonna be a close call. Both on their last bite. Who can chew the fastest? Looks like Faith.
She really tried. She was like, with all that stuff in her mouth. I won one.
Faith is the winner.
I won one.
Clear victor.
10-2.
Woo! 10-2.
10-2.
I know not to play how she lives. But that's why I don't want to go up against her. That's why I didn't want to go up against her. Anyway.
I really was thinking if I should just chew and swallow or, like, not.
What did you do? Did you chew? Did you even chew?
I did. A lot.
God, look.
I was like, when I was like chewing, it got to like big pieces like that.
Yeah,
and I was like, maybe
like,
I should just swallow.
Like big pieces. Like, how you swallow that? Get out of here.
Maybe I don't need to chew anymore.
Okay, guys. Well, this is Polly World. This was the speed eating challenge. This was the speed eating challenge, and we had my daughter. She came on deck to do this. My husband, he was the picker of all these things in the house. I swear to God, if you only do this challenge, I'll get you back. I swear. Or if you do it, but you want to do with him, whatever.
If I do,
if you guys want to see her do it again with him, you can comment down below. Go Faith, right? Go Faith. Go Faith. If you guys want to see her do it with him over there, type down in the comment below. Go Faith.
She will lose miserably.
Really? I would love to see that. Say that. Say Go Faith. Just type Go Faith. So guys, once again, thank you so much for coming in, seeing what we do here at Polly's World. We have a lot of fun in our family. This was happened to be one of the speed challenges that we did. We did it on camera for you guys to see. I hope you guys appreciated that. And we done. Deuces. I can't. My poor chest, my tummy,
my stomach.
My stomach. Bye guys.
Love
you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.